Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin as we're heading into the weekend. Yeah, today's short-term fluctuations, obviously they did lead first of all to a new all-time high. Not so, not so spectacular because people are used to it now. Okay, people are used to it now. It's so funny when I look at a video when Bitcoin made the new all-time high 2024 for the first time, and then the number of views of that Bitcoin video and compare that to today, people get used to it. It's funny how sentiment changes. Anyway, so there isn't really a major change in scenario, but I had to change the microstructure. We already saw, I think when I made the previous video, we already saw the new all-time high coming. We were just about to break above the Tuesday high, and the market then did that. We had a rejection, and yeah, I mean, that's kind of normal in these situations where, yeah, Bitcoin is just below a key pivot, just below the all-time high. Of course, it's difficult to break above new highs and, form new all-time highs and so on. But Bitcoin is doing it. And essentially, the price hasn't really changed, but we had some short-term fluctuations. That has led to a change in microstructure, not in a change of trend, just in a change of the microstructure. And the white wave count actually has become a little bit more bullish because of that. But take it with a pinch of salt. I mean, the microstructure can still change. This is an ending diagonal here, this move to the upside. And I just need to shift this, I think, here. So it would be circle wave 3 here, actually. But I leave that there. So it would be an ending diagonal in circle wave 3. And this means the microstructure might easily change because ending diagonals consist of corrective subwave structures and they tend to morph. But what's the structure now? So the idea is we've seen here a wave 1 and a wave 2. This was the 1-2 setup that bottomed on Wednesday. Before, until earlier today, I had the 1-2 down here. And I had the AB here. A, B. I think it was, 1-2 AB. So, but there wasn't even invalidation, I think. So it's the only thing that changed is obviously here this microstructure, just because it now looks better and counts better with the AB there, and then the 1-2 where we had the initial AB basically. Yeah. So here 1-2 and then an AB, and this could now be the start of the C wave. But it takes a break above today's high, which was here at $70,070, to suggest the onset of wave C of 3. How can we calculate a target for that? We could take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and then it's sort of the range here between the 100% extension level and the 138%. Probably rather the higher end if I look at the subwave structure, so maybe more towards the 73.5 to 74 K region. And then we should still get another 4-5 if this wave count is correct. The microstructure has to change if we see a break below today's low, at 66,080. That's the key level against which the focus can be on higher. But below that level, things have to be readjusted. What could it be? Well, it might be that this is a wave 2. Okay, so that we had a wave 1 to the upside, then A wave down, overshooting B wave, C wave down. So that would be another bullish alternative, but short-term bearish. But for now, let's see if this is going to unfold as a 1-2 AB setup, and now the C wave higher could start to unfold very, very shortly. And also in the very, very short term, if I go to the 30-minute chart, you can actually see here a potential tiny 1-2 setup. But the condition is that obviously today's low is holding, because a wave 2 is not allowed to move below the beginning of the wave 1. So yeah, just a quick update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.